Welcome to Loctek. Loctek Ergonomic Technology Corp. is China's market-leading innovator, designer, and manufacturer for ergonomic office furniture, accessories, and solutions, including height-adjustable desks, sit-stand workstation, monitor arms, and other ergonomic equipment. With over 20 years of manufacturing experience, Loctek has become China's well-known ergonomic office solution provider for the global market. In today's fast-growing and changing market, Loctek is always researching and developing cutting-edge products with strong engineering ability. We care about customers and add heavy effort in patent protection on each product to make sure they won't put any risk in customers. In this process, we have earned global customers' trust and confidence in working with us and win the market. This also encourages our staff and team to innovate and strive, to offer second-to-none services, and to be a strong support for customers. With 3 manufacturing plants, 2 in China and 1 in Vietnam, we have accumulated vast experience in supply chain. We know what our customers need in a manufacturing supplier: the right quality product at right cost, delivered at right time, making us a reliable supplying partner. You can count on and trust us as a long-term partner, that we can help you grow your business and always keep competitive in the market. We are looking forward to working with you.